In Operation Sindoor, the India's air defense system has played a key role. Right now, we are at the control room, that is the Akash Tir, which is an indigenous made system of the Indian forces, but has proved to be metal for this operation that has been carried out. And this control room actually decides the fate of the adversary's threat to India, because they not only analyze the threat that actually takes off from the Pakistani air base, be it the Sargodha air base or the Noor Khan. They have eye on each and every base of the Pakistan, and any threat that comes out of there, that is taken, analyzed, and then a response is generated. The response can be in the form of the air defense guns that fire the 40 mm shells at the location of these hostile threats, and that can decimate them, or if it is a missile, that can be given a reciprocal response by the Indian Army. Here you will see that they are keeping a strict vigil on what is happening on ground, and using this radar system that is part of this entire Akash Tir system, they are keeping an eye on what is happening, and whenever they see any threat being thrown to the Indian side, they evaluate that threat and a befitting reply is given. Right now we are at the control room of the Akash Tir, joined by me is an officer from the Indian Army. Sir, how this has been helpful in the ongoing situation, especially the Operation Sindoor, because we saw a barrage of threats coming from Pakistan. No one crossed the boundary, but there was a barrage of threats from across the border.
First of all, I would like to mention that Akash Tir system, it is a automatic command and control system. This system has played a pivotal role in Operation Sindoor, and we have successfully destroyed all the enemy drones oblique the aircrafts that have crossed the LC, and they have come into our own territory. We have successfully destroyed all of them. Whatever mission and objective that has been given to us, that was achieved by us due to the composure and the professionalism of our troops. Akash Tir, regarding the Akash Tir, I would like to mention that this is the nerve center of the air defense operations. Whatever gets airborne, whether in our territory or the enemy territory, we get the feed of that somebody has got airborne. And as soon as that data is received by the Akash Tir, now it does the threat evaluation of that thing, that whether this is hostile or friendly. The same data is sent to the weapon end, whether gun or a missile. Airborne object is approaching you, then they are given a go-ahead that you can go for it and you can shoot down that hostile enemy drone. And we have been successful in destroying 100% of the enemy drones that have taken airborne from the enemy.
So you said 100% of the threats have been neutralized, but what we have seen that since now there is a peace prevailing on the borders, but are you on the alert mode like you have been during the initial days of the operation?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, we are always in the state of readiness. Every time in peace time, if we are not at a forward location, we are back in our peace time locations. That time also we are preparing for war. So we are always ready and to get the enemy down.
We have seen that probably for the first time this has happened to the India, that these kind of airborne threats have come into being, and no one has expected that this kind of a response will come to the adversary by the India's own air defense system. How capable this system is, because last time we saw it was in the Israel when their air defense system blocked every threat from adversary, and now is the Indian own air defense system that is proving to be a metal.
Actually, this is not the new thing that has happened to us. We have been learning from our neighborhood and the Middle East as well, Israel and Palestine, and even the Azerbaijan and Armenia. The same kind of situation they have faced in their war. So we have been continuously learning from their experiences. And our team of officers, Jawans, they used to visit them, and we have carried out a range of experiences. We have made a list of lessons learned from them, and we have used that in our Operation Sindoor as well.